Where are we?
We're at Tangle Lake. We're going to McLaren Lodge.
Okay. This is a nice weather today.
It is. Turned into very nice weather.
Yeah. This is the car of my friend Jeff. Look at that. That's beautiful. Going there to the river. Where are we going, Jeff?
You're lost. You're lost.
This is beautiful.
Silver's lost.
Can you get me a move here? Not just move too much.
Okay.
Hi, my friends. So
You're going to check it out.
Here.
The campground.
These are all in Alaska. Look at that. How beautiful it is. Really nice. Come over here in Alaska.
Yeah. Everybody comes here. A lot of people coming in tonight. Yeah. Good day.
Hi. I'm right here.
And you're on video.
This is the one thing right here, the real thing. Go right there, all the way up. All right there, honey. Up in the mountain. Go up in the mountain. Take a picture.
I
of
think
right
she's got
here.
that.
Mountain right there. Hey. Okay, go turn around with her.
Yeah. And the producer's coming back to retrieve her camera.
Over there.
Take me out.
Okay.
Selva, come on.
Okay. As you can see, look at that mountain right there. See that mountain? Over there.
And the clouds. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, only one. Look at
All
that.
of these. Look at these. How
Oh,
beautiful
yes.
it is.
Very nice.
Come here in Alaska, my friends.
We're in Tangle Lake, having fun.
Tangle Lake.
This is the real thing. We
Yeah.
have to
real
get out
thing.
and enjoy the nature, not staying watching TV or taking a nap. What's wrong with that?
Right.
Go right there.
Gonna go.
This is our camper. Look
Yeah.
at this. The camper of my friend, a millionaire here in Alaska.
Oh yeah, probably. Yeah. Good.
Fell down.
Fall down on the rocks.
All right, honey, that's good. Thank you.
Okay.
Did you get everything?
I think we got everything. There you go.
Want me to get both of you? Stay there.
Okay. We're going to sit on here.
Take picture of us here.
Hey, that's
Hello,
that's my friend here in Alaska. They are millionaire here. If you go to the Philippines, they are billionaire there.
Wow.
See, my
No,
friend.
totoo ba yan?
Come here in America, okay? Come here in Alaska. They are very nice people.
Sometimes.
Oh,
I'll take picture of them.
Okay, my friend. I see you next time. Okay, say bye-bye to them now.
Bye-bye. Come see us in Alaska. Alaska is the best place to be in the summertime, not winter. Okay, winter is
Number
okay.
one, Alaska.
Yeah, number one Alaska. Catch up salmon, halibut. Do you like fishing? There we go.
Lots of mountains. Now,
Okay.
you want a selfie or what?
Just picture. Oh yes.